So that's it. It's a wrap.
Yes.
Today. So I think it's successful.
It's a happy and fulfilling day.
And productive.
And productive day as well.
Yeah, because we decided to cook
for our family.
For mother.
For Madear'S especially.
Because we decided na wala siyang kahit anong gagawin. Wala siyang
pag-prepare.
Wala siyang
kasi si Mother, mahilig siya magluto. And she loves to prepare foods for us. So, as a gift for her, ayun, nag-isip kami ng bagay na pwedeng pwedeng makapagpasaya kay Mother.
Yes.
Parang relax siya for her special day.
Yeah, and we interviewed her. So, what's the feeling of
interview?
What? No, kanina. We asked her, what's the feeling? Walang ginagawa. And then sabi niya, sarap, masaya. Sarap palang kumain lang. Yun. So, it's a reward for her this Mother's Day.
Yes.
So,
because most of the time, si Mother lang talaga yung nag-prepare ng food. Talaga.
love language lang siya.
Sobrang love language niya yung pag-prepare, pag-aalaga ng family.
Acts of service kasi.
So, us, syempre as ano na rin, bonding. Tulungan kami sa pagluto, parang doon din kami, nag-enjoy din kami sa ginawa namin. Hindi kami napagod, we just nag-enjoy kami. Hindi nga lang, medyo late na kami nakakain.
5 hours nag-prepare. 5 to 10.
Yun nga, madaming process.
Pero worth it naman daw yung paghihintay.
And then they love it. Yun, praise God. Kasi nagustuhan nila. Mang inasal.
Mang inasal ba?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Mang inasal or chicken inasal.
Chicken inasal.
Bakul. Bacolod. Bacolod style.
Yeah, saka naman I created dahil I love pasta. So I cooked lasagna.
Yes. So
and
yummy.
Dessert cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
So yun, so I think that's it. For the mothers, Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day
and
to all.
Don't forget to always appreciate your mother kahit hindi
Mother's Day. Every day you need to appreciate them, love them, comfort them. Kasi syempre pagod sila every day, 24 hours sila nag-work sa bahay.
24 hours? Hindi natutulog.
Syempre.
24 hours, kahit natutulog.
Yes, nag-worry pa rin sila.
Yeah. So they really managed to. So it's really, hindi natatapatan yung profession na yan.
And I'm excited for that as well. Oh!
Yes.
Soon.
Soon. Yes, amen. Okay, that's it. No?
That's it.
So, again, Happy Mother's Day.
Mother's Day.
All the mothers.
I love you, Mom, in heaven.
Aww.
Bye, guys. guys. Thank you for watching. Can you please watch out. Wow. Watch out our videos sa ano niya, sa how to prepare or
Lasagna.
how to cook lasagna and yung chicken mang inasal bacolod ko.
Chicken mong isa bakulot. Ang dami na.
Oo. Ala bacolod. Kasi bacolod yun galing. Pwede na!
Ang daming air. Okay.
And then, yung Oreo cheesecake, hindi namin masyado ng-video, pero picture lang siguro.
Yep.
So, thank you for watching. Please continue to watch, like, and subscribe. Done mo na, my loves. Bye!